is a raw steak, and this is me putting that steak into the dishwasher.
This might be the juiciest steak I've ever cooked.